It's 11:45 p.m. You have been working all day. Your eyes are dry, your coffee mug is empty, you feel completely exhausted. But as you lie in bed staring at the ceiling, an uncomfortable question keeps into your mind. What did I actually build today? You try to recall your achievements, but all you remember is replying to 40 Slack emails, putting out fires, and attending 3 meetings that could have been emails. You have occupied for 12 hours straight. Yet you don't move the needle on your life by even 1%. Welcome to the productivity trap. Most high performers don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they confuse motion with progress. Today, we are breaking down a psychological system designed by the elite operators, the daily value creation score. By the end of this video, you will have a 2-minute nightly ritual that will completely rewrite how you view your time, double your output, and guarantee you will never waste another year feeling stuck. Let's start with a brutal truth. Society rewards busyness, but the market rewards value creation. Think about two people. People A wakes up at 5 a.m., answers 100 emails, organizes their desktop floor, and work for 10 hours straight. Person B work for just 4 hours, but in that window, they write a high converting sales page, automate a repetitive client process, and study an advanced industry framework. At the end of the day, person A feels like a martyr because they suffered more, but person B created an asset, something that will generate leverage long after they stopped working. If you want to escape the hamster wheel, you have to stop asking, how much did I do today? And start asking, how much leverage did I create today? That's where the value creation score comes in. It's a 10-point daily audit broke into 3 distinct pillars. Every night, before you close your eyes, open your note app and score your daily assets, these 3 categories. Pillar 1. The learning score, 0 to 3 points. The question you have to ask, did I upgrade my cognitive software today? 0 points if you spent your free time consuming passive content, scrolling TikTok or reading brain-rot news. 1.5 points if you consumed educational content but it was unfocused or random. 3 points if you spent dedicated time mastering a specific skill, reading dense material or realizing a key mistake you made. You are literally smarter than you were yesterday. The asset and the output score 0 to 4 points. Question you have to ask, did I build something today that pays me back tomorrow? 0 point if you only handled reactive tasks, emails and surface level codes. 2 points if you completed necessary operational work but built nothing permanent. 4 point if you completed deep uninterrupted work on a core project, writing code, creating content, setting up systems or closing static deals. You added a permanent brick to your foundation. Third pillar, the impact score, 0 to 3 points. The question, did my work directly improve someone else's life or business? 0 point if your work had 0 tangible impact on real people. 1.5 point if you fulfilled basic obligation to your team or boss. 3 points if you solved a complex problem for a client, mentored a colleague or delivered exceptional service that made a real human's day behavior easier. Tally your numbers up to get your score out of 10. Here is how you read your results. 0 to 4, the survival zone. You are operating on pure autopilot. You are reactive, stressed and spinning your wheels. If you stay here for 6 months, you will burn out and achieve 0 long-term growth. 5 to 7, the maintenance zone. You are doing enough to stay employed or keep your business afloat, but you aren't building real wealth, leverage or skill. 8 to 10, the compounding zone. This is where elite performers lie. When you average an 8 or higher for 90 days straight, compounding strat kicks in for your life. Your skills explode, your leverage multiplies, and opportunities find you. The secret to make this work isn't spending hours analyzing yourself. Keep it ridiculously simple. Create a basic note titled Daily Value Tracker. Write the date, log your 3 numbers and sums up the total. It takes 60 minutes. What gets measured gets managed. The moment you start tracking this score, your brain undergoes a subtle shift. Mid-afternoon, when you are about to open social media or sink 2 hours into unnecessary spreadsheet, a voice in your head will say, this is going to destroy my asset score tonight. You naturally start cutting out the fluff and focusing strictly on high leverage execution. Stop letting your life slip away in a blur of fake busyness. Don't just count the days, make every single day compounded. Do me a favor right now. Rate your day so far in the comments below using this 10-point scale. Be brutally honest. If you found value in this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe for more systems on the performance and focus, and share this with someone who's tired of running on the hamster's wheel. See you in the next one.